The anticipation surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is reaching a fever pitch as the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event draws closer. The excitement isn't just because of the usual upgrades we've come to expect from Samsung. This time, something truly innovative is on the horizon. Samsung isn't just aimed to release new phones, they're reshaping the way we think about what a flagship phone can be. And while all eyes are on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's another model that's quietly stealing the spotlight, the Galaxy S25 Slim. With rumors swirling and leaks intensifying, the S25 Slim promises to redefine what a slim, lightweight smartphone can offer. Despite its sleek design, it doesn't sacrifice power or performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim is packed with the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset seen in the other models of the S25 series, ensuring top-tier performance across the board. Along with its 12 gigabytes of RAM, it's set to run Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, delivering a seamless and efficient user experience. But the real magic lies in the size. At just under 7mm thick, the S25 Slim is a marvel of engineering. If you've been waiting for a flagship that doesn't weigh you down but still gives you the performance you crave, this might just be the device for you. When it comes to display, the S25 Slim doesn't disappoint. With a 6.7-inch QHD Plus screen, you're in for sharp, vibrant visuals that bring everything from your favorite shows to mobile games to life. But the camera is where things get even more interesting. The 200-megapixel main sensor, complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, offers photography power that's nearly on par with Samsung's most advanced models. Sure, it might lack the S Pen, but the Slim is designed for those who want something more compact without sacrificing the features they need most. But let's talk performance. The Geekbench scores for the S25 Slim show promising numbers, although they fall short when compared to the more powerful Ultra model. Still, the S25 Slim's performance is solid, and that's enough to tackle everything from day-to-day tasks to more demanding apps. The device might not hit its peak performance just yet, as it's still in prototype form, but rest assured, once Samsung gets their hands on this device and refines it, it's going to be a game changer. Speaking of the launch timeline, it's still unclear whether the Galaxy S25 Slim will be unveiled during the Galaxy Unpacked event. Some reports suggest that it might arrive later, potentially in the spring or summer, giving Samsung more time to polish the device and work out any kinks. But when it does land, expect fierce competition. Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air is expected to be even thinner, but the S25 Slim could pull ahead with its superior camera setup and competitive pricing. Samsung's strategy with the Galaxy S25 series is all about offering variety. Whether you're after the powerhouse performance of the Ultra or the sleek, compact design of the Slim, there's something for everyone. The key question is whether the Slim will live up to the hype and deliver a flagship experience that can compete with the likes of Apple and Google. Early signs suggest it just might. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's shaping up to be an absolute beast of a phone. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display boasts QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a visual experience like no other. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, this phone is built for the most demanding users. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the S25 Ultra won't disappoint. And if you're into photography, the 200-megapixel camera paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens will have you snapping professional-grade photos without breaking a sweat. Then there's the S25 Plus, which offers much of the same performance and display quality, but in a slightly smaller, more affordable package. It's the perfect middle ground for those who want flagship features without the ultra price tag. With a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and a 12 gigabytes RAM option, it's set to deliver a premium experience without the size or the premium price. But what really sets the Galaxy S25 series apart is the addition of wireless charging innovation. The rumored Qi 2 wireless charging technology is set to revolutionize how we charge our phones. With speeds that could leave other devices in the dust, this feature promises faster, more efficient charging, and it will likely play a huge role in the overall Samsung experience. Add to that the sleek, minimalist design with ultra-thin bezels, and you've got a device that not only looks great, but performs better than ever before. As we count down to the official reveal on January 22, the excitement continues to build. The leaks, rumors, and pre-reservations are only adding fuel to the fire. Whether you're drawn to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the compact S25 Slim, or the well-rounded S25 Plus, one thing is certain: The Galaxy S25 series is going to be a game changer. The future of smartphones is just around the corner, and Samsung is leading the charge.